New M4 exhaust on the 1000. Turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. I went with a full muffler just due to the fact that the little shorties burn your leg in drag racing when you take off and launch them. So let's check out and see how this bad boy sounds. Now of course the check engine light is on, basically from running it on the dyno, and the traction control is kind of freaking out, so nothing wrong with it.